Hey everyone, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to store all your iMovie files on a USB drive, a USB hard drive, or a USB flash drive. So as you can see here, I have my USB drive, and you can see that when I have it right open, you can see how I have the amount of space. So this is something you want to keep mind of, that you do have limited space on a USB drive, and so do you on your computer, so it's not much different. But as you can see, I have a lot of space on my drive, about 200 gigabytes. So if you guys have that much space, please optimize it using iMovie and don't waste your time filling up your normal computer storage and just really slowing down your computer, because that is what happens. So what I'm going to show you guys now is, here is my original library, and that's my Mac library. So I'm going to delete everything from here unless you do need it. So I'm going to delete it, and once you have it deleted, what I want you guys to do is create a new library. So you can close this library. If you have any other libraries, they'll look like just the one I have, and just make sure you right click them and close them. So other than that, we're just going to get right into it. So you go to the file and then you click on other, and don't click on new, and then you can see all your libraries. And just because you closed the library doesn't mean you deleted it. So what we're going to show you guys is that if you click on a library, you can actually click on locate, and it'll locate the library, and then you can drag it and drop it into your trash, which is right in the bottom right. So you just drag it and drop it. I'm not going to do it because I need that library. So let's just wait, and then you can see two other options down at the bottom left corner. So we're going to hit on new, and that's going to actually let you open a library. So we're going to go to your USB drive and make sure it's there. If it doesn't show up, then make sure you have it plugged in correctly. But I hit on new folder, and you can make a folder for it. I like making folders for it, so it's just not scattered around and it's organized. So I'm going to name mine temporary. But as you can see, iMovie might crash, so I just wanted to make sure I got that in the video so you guys can understand the thing that happens sometimes when you're creating these type of things. So I'm going to go back to what I was at before, creating a new library, making that new folder, and naming it. I'm going to name, you can name yours iMovie library. I'm naming mine temporary library, so I know the difference between my normal library and my iMovie library that I'm creating here for this example. So once you have it created, make sure you select the folder and name it what you want. So as you can see in the top left in iMovie, it's named what I just named it in the file, so make sure you name it that. And then once you're ready, what you want to do is import. So make sure you're selected on your library before you import, not selected on your Mac's library, because that was just a waste of time if you did that. So once you have it on your Mac's library, what you want to do is make sure you save it to your files. And as you can see, if we go in, there's nothing here. So that means all of that was stored on our normal Mac. So that was because I didn't import through. So as you can see here, while we're inside iMovie and we're editing, it all saves to our USB drives. And hopefully this can help you. So make sure you click on an event on your USB drive. So as you can see in iMovie, you can see your library and under it a date. So I'm gonna click on that date and make sure you click on that before you start importing your video. If you don't do that, you'll be importing to the wrong event and the wrong library. So once you do that, you can actually check it by going to your iMovie folder and then going to the info about it and seeing what's inside to see if your clips are actually being saved where you want them to inside your flash drive or a USB hard drive. So I'm using a hard drive right now, that's how I have so much space. And now you can see that it is actually on there. So if this video did help you, please remember to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you had any problems, anything you like about the video, and pretty much just comment your opinion and your thoughts on the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.